Welcome back to Tecnoguías. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can place WhatsApp status from your WhatsApp web. That is from the computer. The first thing we are going to do, and we must keep in mind that our computer must be updated. It must have a microphone to take it word. You can also do it through headphones that have a microphone functions. So first thing we are going to here to where it says states, and states, once we are here we are going to select the plus button. Here is small. Once let's go be here, we have a text option, for example, or photos or videos. Select, in my case, emoji and send. It's very quick and simple, and I can see my history, my status, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us here in Tecnoguías.